We are now on Reading Comprehension Week 15, Day 3. It is Wednesday, January 24th. Today we're working on making inferences, trying to figure out what the text says. Based on what it says, we want to know what it means, okay? So read the passage as we're reading. Stop after each paragraph and ask yourself questions about the information. Marvelous machines. Not so long ago, robots were machines seen only in movies. Today, robots are used all around the world. A robot is a special type of machine that can do some of the things a human can do. People invent robots in all shapes and sizes. No matter what they look like, all robots have a computer inside them. All robots can do two things. They can get more information and they can move. I'm going to pause here while you think of a question or two that you might ask yourself about what we just read. Second paragraph. More and more robots are being invented. Some robots help people do tasks. Robots drill holes, spray paint, put together cars. Robots help doctors perform operations. Robots drive trains and clean carpets. That's the end of the second paragraph. I'm going to go ahead and pause while you ask yourself some questions about that paragraph. Okay, third paragraph. Robots also go to places that are too dangerous for humans. Robots crawl through live volcanoes. They take samples of gases and examine the rocks. Robots dive deep into the oceans. They inspect strange sea creatures and collect items that have fallen to the ocean floor. Getting to Mars is not yet possible for astronauts, but robots have landed there. They collected rocks and took pictures. I'm going to pause there before we start on the questions so you can ask yourself a couple of questions about what I read in paragraph 3. Skill practice. Read the question. Fill in the bubble next to the correct answer. Question 1. Based on the passage, which sentence is true? A. One robot can do all that a person can do. B. Not every robot moves. C. Every machine with a computer is a robot. D. Not all machines are robots. I'm going to pause while I give you a chance to answer that question. Question 2. Based on the passage, which conclusion can you make about robots? A. There will be fewer robots in the future. B. People will invent more kinds of robots. C. All robots will look like people. Or D. People will become robots. I'm going to go ahead and hit pause if you need time to answer that question. Question 3. Which one is true about all robots? A. They look kind of like people. B. They are dangerous. C. They have parts that can move. Or D. They drive trains. Go ahead and hit pause if you need time to answer question 3. Question 4. Because of robots, people A. know more about the world. B. are braver. C. can travel to Mars. D. can do dangerous things. And hit pause if you need time to answer question 4. Strategy practice at the bottom. What question did you ask yourself about the third paragraph? Go ahead and write that question on the blank line there. Have a good day, guys.